Hello students, welcome back to your English class. So today we will be doing the second part of our chapter 3 questions. Now, what were the 3 questions? Do you remember? First was that the king wanted to know about the right time to do our work, right person, who is the most important person, and the most important work to be done. These were the 3 questions, isn't it? So then what happened? Where did the king go? The king had gone to a hermit to get his answers. So now what were the questions last which you had to do? Why did the king want to know answers to the 3 questions? What would happen by knowing the answers to the 3 questions? Yes, the king could become the most powerful king by knowing all the answers. These were the important answers to become a great king. Now, second one, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Why? Because, see, our 4 questions are there. To fetch wise men, is it true? No. To find answers to the questions? No, because not only questions, first everyone should know that there is a big reward for it. So the 4th one, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Yes, the 4th one is correct. When he didn't get the answer, then he went to look for the wise hermit, isn't it? So in comprehension, we should always first cancel the negative answers and check out the positive answer. Okay, so now let us continue with the second part of the chapter 3 questions. The king turned around and saw, when last was that here comes someone running. So who was there? Who was running? The king turned round and saw a bearded man with a beard running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach. So stomach was in pain, I think, from which blood was flowing. Blood was coming out from his stomach. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. He lost consciousness. He couldn't realize anything and he fell down. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound, large injury in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. Blood continued to come out. The king redressed. Redressed is to cover, dressing again, and the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to the man. By this time the sun had set. So by this time it was evening, almost night and dusk, and the air was cool. The king, with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. He made him lie on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night, whole night. The king was tired whole day because he had worked. So he lied, and he was a king. He was not in the habit of doing so much of work. So he was tired and slept through the night on the floor. When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember. When he awoke, he was like he couldn't remember where he was. Then he saw that yes, he couldn't remember